Ano ang sabi? Sa wakas, pagkatapos ng ilang buwan, nagkita din kami ni Yamabuki. And what sets this apart from other pickup trucks? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Ito po ang 2024 Mitsubishi Triton Athlete 4-wheel drive. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Well, kung subscriber na po kayo dito sa channel ko, several months ago na feature na po natin ang Mitsubishi Triton. This one right here, the 2024 model, but not this one. It was the 2-wheel drive. It is a nice pickup truck with enough power, good amenities that you expect from a new generation pickup truck. And if you think about it, the 2-wheel drive version will give you a considerable amount of money going back to your bank account in comparison to this one, kay Yamabuki. This is the Elite, the Go Beyond Limits pickup truck from Mitsubishi right here. Well, umpisahan natin sa color variant niya. Siguro halos lahat naman magagandaan talaga o nagagandaan sa kulay na Yamabuki Orange Metallic. I feel it is really one of a kind color variant. Malayo pa lang ang dating niya. When you see it from afar, from your side mirror, rear view mirrors, whatever, alam mo agad na this is the new Triton top of the line. The design itself in a way for me, medyo di ganun kadali ma-figure out kasi medyo boxy ang dating niya. Pero di naman square kasi may mga curves din, pero simple lang. The design concept, it's still the dynamic shield pero obvious na iba na ang approach. Hindi na kasi siya pointed, ang look kagaya ng sa Expander or the Montero. Hiwala yung DRLs, ayan po sa ibabaw at andun yung maliliit na fog lamps sa may bandang baba. Ang ganda din po ng chrome accent na kasama sa assembly ng headlights, ayan po, na nag-highlight din sa dynamic shield look ng pickup truck na to. Yung grill po niya sa harap, kung titignan mo, simple lang pero lakas makamacho ng look niya. Yung may dating siya na mighty and rugged. Talagang yung fitting yung look niya for a brand new, latest model pickup truck. It gives you that character that it is battle tested, walang arte, you can take it anywhere, anytime. At kita naman po dito sa front look alone, talagang malaki po siya at malapad. Sa side profile naman po, compared to its previous model, masasabi ko na mas defined in a way kasi kita na mahaba ang wheelbase niya. Kaya ala na po yung slant na linya ng cabin dyan sa may bandang liko, halfway after the second door panel. Diretso na lang po siya at dahil dyan mas nag-improve ang ride quality and at the same time nadagdagan ng load capacity ng pickup truck na to. The side fenders are colored black. I can say that it blends well sa size at design ng wheels niya. Okay na rin at tingining di masyadong ganong kalaki yung wheel arch niya. Yung gulong po niya is size 18, profile is around 265 by 60 na may simple black design. Yan po yung wheels niya. Nakakadagdag din po sa rugged look niya yung sports bar. At isa pa sa malaki sa kanya, ito pong fuel tank lid niya, yung pong takip, hindi mo siya mamimiss, kita agad siya. Pagdating naman po sa likod, it looks like, I would say, a normal pickup truck. Kahit simple lang ang design niya sa likod, alam mo na ito yung bagong modelo kasi primarily, there's that Triton emblem. Ang laki, ang ganda po. Kahit malayo, kita mo agad. Yun lang nga, nagtataka ako kung bakit ginawa na hindi pa emblem itong Athlete na nasa kabila na badging. Ewan ko lang, napaisip ako, baka siguro sa ibang markets, itong top of the line pickup na to, iba ang tawag. Ito pong tailgate niya, like a normal pickup truck, mabigat po siya, wala po siyang assist. That is okay. Well, overall, alam naman natin, kada perspective o tingin natin sa bawat isa, sa isang sasakyan o kahit anumang bagay siguro, subjective. Iba-iba tayo dyan ng pananaw. Pero ang masasabi ko, one thing is for sure about this Triton, sa design aspect niya, it looks aggressive and bold and muscular. Distinctive and very slick ang design niya. Dito lalo na sa front fascia, talaga namang malakas ang appeal sa mga pickup truck enthusiasts. Kaya talaga masasabi mo na this is right there on top of the pickup competition. Dito naman po sa interior niya, alone on this second row seating, spacious po siya. Well, malaki na itulong po dito nung slightly hinabaan nila ang wheelbase. It's all leather. Yan po mga seats na yan. Kita naman yung premium materials na ginamit all around every part of the cabin of this pickup truck. May air vents po sa ceiling na makokontrol mo din po dyan. At meron po siyang charging ports. May center armrest at pockets po dyan sa may mga door panels at sa harap nyo. Personally, I like the touch of combination ng black and suede leather material. Ito kasi yung talagang mararamdaman mo pag nakita mo na, wow, this is a top of the line model I am sitting at. Dito naman po sa harap ng kanyang dashboard, it is a new layout. Upright po ang position ng infotainment system. Mas okay po para sa akin yung ganitong design. Iba naman, very good po ang quality nito. Ang ganda po ng resolution at okay din po yung sensitivity pag ino-operate. The steering wheel naman po, it's wrapped in leather, may stitching po. May mga portion din po na black piano accents. Mostly dito po sa paligid ng gear selector. Naka-manual po ang handbrake niya. And as I've said before, I will always prefer this over the electronic one. I like it in a way na ginawa ni Mitsubishi na to have everything here that you see to be all set up ergonomically. Talagang balanse lang ang controls, hindi lahat naka-rely sa software or computer to control those critical functions. Kahit nga po itong start and stop button, dyan po sa baba nakapwesto, madaling makita, madali pong magamay lahat ng mga controls niyan. And to think that this is a very modern pickup truck. Speaking of modern, I feel this is the highlight of the Yamabuki, itong Triton Athlete 4-wheel drive, ang kanyang powertrain. Engine niya is the 4N16, 2.4 liter direct injection diesel with 2-stage turbo Euro 5 po to. Masasabi ko na ito yung highlight kasi po this Yamabuki, this top of the line version is the one that has the 2-stage turbo na Euro 5 compliant. All the other variants lesser than this, Euro 4 po at hindi po naka 2-stage turbo. Doon pa lang alam mo na this is the one thing inside this pickup truck that makes it so special. Power output niya is 204 PSI at 3,500 RPM. And maximum torque of 470 at 1,500 to 2,750 RPM. And that's all I can say about the powertrain. Talagang power on the go, delivery, torque. This engine right here is the masterpiece, is the highlight of this pickup truck. And if you think about it, it is just right there on that sweet spot. Naramdam mo na hindi siya underpowered, pero di naman sobrang lakas. Yung saktong power na kailangan niya na masasatisfy ka, nandito kay Yamabuki. And along with that 2-stage turbo, you got power and that turbo for that low to mid-range. Pagdating mo naman sa expressway driving na, nandun na yung 2nd stage turbo, papasok na siya. Kaya naisip ko nga, di kaya masyadong pinepuwersa ni Mitsubishi ang engine na to by fitting this 2-stage turbo setup sa isang 2.4 na diesel engine. But then I brushed off the idea because it has been proven through all this time how durable and reliable Mitsubishi diesel engines are. Kaya di ka dapat magduda. Again, this is one state-of-the-art, top quality diesel powerhouse. Speaking of state-of-the-art, ang transmission po niya is the Super Select 4-wheel drive 2 6-speed automatic transmission. Even from the old days of the glory days of the Pajero back in the 80s, 90s, 2000s, kilala na po ang Super Select transmission ng Mitsubishi. Ang kagandahan po dito sa version na to, highly advanced and of course super reliable po. Basically, you can shift on the fly without needing to stop. Sa bagong version po ng Super Select transmission ni Mitsubishi na nakafit dito sa bagong Triton, so you got the 2-wheel drive high range. Normal on-road conditions, power is sent do sa dalawang gulong sa likod. Second is the 4H, which is the 4-wheel drive high range. 4 na gulong po gumagana, better traction, lalo na kung medyo madulas po ang daan, medyo umuulan. Number 3 is the 4HLC, that's 4-wheel drive high range with limited. Naglalak po yung center differential niya for maximum traction in severe off-road conditions. At yung number 4, 4LLC, which is the 4-wheel drive low range with limited slip. Ito po yung low range 4-wheel drive mo na nagbibigay ng extra torque and control pag yung talagang gumagapang ka na lang talaga dun sa matitinding obstacle at sobrang tarik na mga incline. Tatanungin nyo po ano yung limited slip functionality? Well, sa 4HLC at 4LLC modes, tinutulungan po niya i-distribute yung power evenly between the front and the rear wheels. Pag yung isa pong gulong ay medyo dumudulas na, hindi po niya hinahayaan yan. Sinisigurado po niya lahat yan ay may sakto na traction. So bottom line is, any road condition, whatever it may be, you name it, kaya po yan ng bagong Triton. Sa features naman po, it is full pack of features. Ito pong Triton Athlete, ito pong si Yamabuki. Electric power steering, 9-inch infotainment system po yan. Meron pong wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, USB charging ports, 6 speaker system. Sa ibang models po, it's only 2. On the safety features naman, airbags for the driver, passenger, side and curtain. Equipped po siya ng 360-degree view camera. Meron po siyang active stability and traction control, active yaw control. Yes, this is Mitsubishi. Hill start assist, trailer stability assist, hill descent control, emergency assist for pedal misapplication, forward collision mitigation system with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning system with lane charge assist, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, ISOFIX tethers, parking sensors, and lock and unlock system. So keyless operation po yan. At di lang po yun, meron po siyang 7 drive modes. And as for the price ng Yamabuki Orange Metallic na Mitsubishi Triton, dito po sa Mitsubishi Motors Taytay, ito po ang kanyang SRP. Kaya pasyal na po kayo dito, madali lang po makita ang kanilang dealership. Dito lang po sa area ng Rotonda, papunta o paakyat ng Antipolo. Sa pagtatapos, the Mitsubishi Triton Athlete 4-wheel drive. With the price that it carries, I can say it is well worth it. Very versatile, dynamic in any way possible. Alam mo na, you have a car that can almost do anything for you. It gives you that peace of mind. It is well balanced in every aspect of what a pickup truck is all about. Honestly, for me, it's like the type of pickup truck I can see myself driving and owning for the next 10 or so years in the future. It is a pickup truck that you will grow to like and appreciate more and more through time. So if you're planning to buy a new pickup truck, you have to seriously consider this. It is worth it. This is the all-new 2024 Mitsubishi Triton Athlete 4-wheel drive. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe everyone and stay safe. I'll see you on the next one.